Good morning. Dobriye Utra. As the president of World Design Organization, I extend my warm greetings and welcome all of you to this year's celebration of World Industrial Design Day. It's wonderful to see so many of you gathered today to celebrate World Industrial Design Day, which was established in 2007 in recognition of our organization's 50th anniversary, but today it has grown to mean so much more. I also want to extend my appreciation and thanks to the organizers of Design Day 2050, namely the National Center for Industrial Design and Innovation 2050 Lab, who have embraced this day as one of importance for all of Russia's designers. During my visits to Russia in the past and recent times, I've had the opportunity to meet with the local designers and see personally the level of expertise the design community has and the energy to work on new technologies and break the traditional barriers on design. I hope to see more interaction between WDO and the Russian design community in the days to come. For the past 64 years, WDO has been advocating and promoting the profession of industrial design across the globe. We connect with different stakeholders of the society we live in, such as the educational institutions, corporates, promotional agencies, professional organizations, as well as the cities and municipalities. Our well-known global platform offers a place to gather and share our knowledge on design topics and to explore how we can solve the wicked problems of our society. We have been accorded the UN consultative status since 1974 and have been working with several UN agencies such as UN Women, UNIDO, UN Habitat, as well as with the International Space Station and World Packaging Organization to explore how to create a better world through well-crafted design challenges. You may visit our website to learn more about these programs. Each year, a new theme is selected to celebrate our World Industrial Design Day on June 29. Today, we are recognizing and celebrating diversity in design. What does diversity mean to designers, leaders, innovators, and creators all around the globe? What does it mean to each and every one of you who have gathered here today? As designers, we think about users all the time, user experience, user-centered design, etc. But who is our user? Is our product inclusive? Is our service accessible? These are key questions that need clarity and good answers. Further to that question, who is designing? Do our research, prototype, and testing teams adequately reflect the user? We need our professional teams and working groups welcoming and celebrating different points of view, perspectives, ages, and abilities more often. Today and every day, we are encouraging designers everywhere to reflect on the steps they can take in their own practice to contribute to a more diverse and inclusive industry. There are always improvements we can make to take a collective step forward. World Industrial Design Day has grown from celebrating and promoting industrial design as an industry to pushing the boundaries of what design can do. Industrial designers can change the world and effect shifts and progress in business, community, governments, and beyond. There are many reasons to celebrate today. We have heard the news of a new and unique master's program in industrial design and engineering. On behalf of WDO, I extend our congratulations on its inauguration and wish the program a best outcome. Education is a key opportunity to bestow knowledge, learning, best practices, and experience to the next generation and to learn how we can make progress. We wish you a successful conference and the best of luck with your design challenge as well. Thank you for celebrating World Industrial Design Day with us. Let us continue to pursue design for a better world. I would like to wish all the designers in Russia a happy World Industrial Design Day 2021. Thank you. Spasiba.